Today we're trying out StarLite in a solo cup form. We're going to be using magnesium igniter, and I couldn't find my igniter. Here's the Thermite versus StarLite. So let's see which one takes the cake. Remove our mold. It's just the cup used to mix it. And this is 115 grams of copper-based thermite, so it's not the traditional iron oxide-based. We're filming on a GoPro Hero 3 Black Edition. Our support is a simple coat hanger that may fall over. I hope not. Oh, that's a lot. Fine powder at the bottom there for easy start. Now this stuff won't light by itself very easily. I think ignition temperature is 1300 degrees Fahrenheit, 1500 degrees Fahrenheit, something like that. Magnesium burns much lower, but magnesium burns very hot also, well past the ignition point. Very thin StarLite, less than 1/4 inch. Here is a beer bottle thickness compared to, it's all I have right now. I should have brought my calipers out, I didn't. About as thick as a beer bottle. Away. It has burned through. Completely burned through. Almost instantly. $10,000 degree, not even close. It's more like 3,000 at least. But there you go. StarLite versus Thermite. Thermite wins. Thought I'd provide some more close-ups. Take a look at it. Still very fresh. It's just like 30 seconds since the last take. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera real quick here and get a temperature reading on the bottom. So the charred piece, 128 degrees Fahrenheit. Non-charred piece, 54. Ground temperature is 32. The rocks, 31.8 Fahrenheit. Right at the edge, temperature's decreasing fairly rapidly. I'm going to take a reading of the thermite itself. Yeah, 73 Fahrenheit. Oh, there we go. 300. Big slag. 300. Thanks for the advice on the programs to edit this together. Now I'm going to be testing the brittleness of it after it's been burned. Go ahead and break it apart. Thanks for watching. Next we'll be testing solid rocket fuel. See how well that does. Have a great day.